Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today we're at Holmes Honda and I'm going to answer a question that nobody's asked yet, but I sense that it's coming, and that is, how do you remove the middle seat from the second row of the 2023 Honda Pilot? So let's go and check it out. I've got Michael from Holmes Honda here on the camera. Thank you, Michael, for helping out. I'm going to have him meet me over on the passenger side, and we're going to walk through the process as to how easy this is to do. So step number one, you have the release right here. You're going to pull on that and lower the seat back down like this. And then there's a release on the front, and I'll let Michael show you where that is. Here it is right here. We're just going to pull on that and then lift up on the back of the seat. Now, the seat probably weighs 30 to 40 pounds, I'd say. Not terribly heavy, but lift accordingly. Don't hurt yourself. Get some help if you need it. But all you have to do is lift the seat like this. And the good part about it, we'll go back here to the rear cargo area. I've already removed the cover for the floor right here. We're going to put this down in here and watch this. Here's the cool part. Got your double-sided floor here with the carpet and the plastic, so you can do whatever you need to do, including store the seat. That's how easy it is to do. Now, let me do this. One thing, just in case, let me show you how to put it back in. So we'll go back to the interior and we'll take our time here. Now what you're gonna do, I'm gonna let Michael show you the hooks down there where you're going to need to put the seat in. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this in accordingly. You can see where the seat has gone into place right there on those hooks. And then all you have to do, you're gonna drop that down, you're gonna hear it lock in place. You can pull on the release right there to put the seat back in place, and you're finished.